Hello, friends. Have you ever been watching an English movie or a foreign documentary and suddenly all the words in your head get jumbled? You feel like, am I translating this in my mind? If that has happened to you, then today's movie review or movie explanation style discussion is for you.
Absolutely, Raja. Welcome everyone to True Fluency Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Annie.
And I'm Raja. How are you, Annie?
I'm fantastic, Raja. A bright sunny day, a cup of hot tea. The day is wonderful. How's your day going?
I'm great too. I'm really excited about today's discussion because it's about solving a huge challenge.
Truly. But before we start, please give this episode a like.
Yes, click that little thumbs up button. And if you're new here, welcome, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Absolutely. Raja, ready?
I'm completely ready. So what are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about a big challenge for English learners, how to stop translating in your head.
Translating. I remember this problem. When I hear something in English, my brain thinks, what is this in my own language?
Exactly. You think about it in your own language and then try to find the words in English to respond. That's a lot of work for your brain.
It's like a three-step process. English to your language, then from your language back to English. Just thinking about it makes me tired.
Me too. And what's the problem with this? Why is it such a challenge?
The biggest problem is that it's a very, very slow process.
Yes, very slow. When you are busy translating, the conversation moves on.
Exactly. Someone asks, how are you? And while you are translating, they've already started talking about something else. The conversation becomes difficult. You always feel one step behind.
Absolutely. Another problem is sometimes words don't match exactly.
What do you mean?
In English, a word can have multiple meanings, or in your language, there may not be an exact equivalent.
Oh, I see. So if we translate word for word, it can sound strange.
Very strange. And sometimes it can be completely wrong. So translating in your head is slow and can lead to mistakes.
Yes, exactly. Our goal is to think directly in English, to create a direct connection.
A direct connection. I love hearing that, like a straight path from your brain to your mouth, all in English.
That's it. No detours through another language. All right. It's a big problem, but we're here to help. We have solutions, right?
Of course, we have some simple tips to help everyone start thinking in English.
Perfect. I'm ready for tip number 1. What is it?
Tip number 1 is to start small. Really, really, really small. Start with single words.
Single words? Like what?
Look around you now. What do you see?
I see my desk. I see a lamp. I have a pen in my hand.
Wonderful! So when you look at your pen, don't think of the word for it in your own language. Just think in English. Pen.
So I look at the object and my brain directly thinks pen.
Yes. Look at the object and think the English word. Look at your door. Think door. Look at the window. Think window.
I see. It's like labeling the world around you in English.
Perfectly said. Yes, you become your own English labeling machine.
I like that. So I can walk around my house and think kitchen, table, chair, cup.
Yes, just 5 minutes a day. Look at objects and silently say the English word. This creates the direct connection we mentioned. The object is now connected to the English word. No middle language needed.
Exactly. No translation needed. It's a very powerful first step.
I love this. It's simple and I can do it right now. What's tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is using pictures.
Pictures. Everyone loves pictures. How do pictures help?
You can use flashcards. You know, those little cards used for studying.
Oh, yes, I know flashcards.
One side of the card has a picture, like a picture of the sun.
Okay, a bright yellow sun.
And on the other side, you write the English word sun.
Ah, I get it. So I look at the sun picture and think sun. I don't think of it in my own language. I see the picture and connect it with the English word. That's great.
It's the same idea as objects, but flashcards are portable. You can learn about animals, a dog, a cat, a bird. You can learn food, an apple, a banana. Pictures help your brain remember.
A picture is universal. An apple looks like an apple everywhere.
Yes, exactly. So you're directly linking that universal image to the English word. It's a fun way to build vocabulary without translating. You can even make it a game. See how many picture names you can say in a minute.
That's a great idea, Raja. Making learning fun is very important. All right, so we have labeling objects and using pictures for single words. What about sentences?
Sentences are harder.
Definitely.
So we start with very, very simple sentences. That's tip number 3. Simple sentences. How simple?
Think about how you feel. Are you happy?
I'm very happy right now.
Great. So you feel this happiness and think in English, I'm happy.
So I'm connecting my feeling directly with the English sentence.
Yes. Don't think, how do I say I am happy in my language? Just feel it and link it to I'm happy.
I like that. So if I'm tired, I can think, I am tired.
Exactly. Or I'm hungry. When your stomach growls, think I'm hungry.
My stomach is growling a lot. Good practice for me.
Mine too. And you can do this with everyday actions as well.
Like what kind of actions?
When you drink a glass of water, think I drink water.
Yes. At the very moment you pick up the glass, drink, and your mind says in English, I drink water.
Wow. It's like a little description of my life in English.
Yes. When you open a door, think I open the door. When you sit down, think I sit down.
That's very logical. You link the action to an English sentence. Again, no translation.
You're getting the pattern, right? It's all about creating that direct link in your brain.
Yes, I see. It's just repeated practice.
That's the key. A little bit every day. At first, it feels strange, but then it becomes natural.
Perfect. So we have words and simple sentences. What else can help us? Tip number 4?
Tip number 4 is fun. Watch and listen to simple English.
Like this podcast?
Yes, exactly. But visuals are also great, like cartoons for children.
Cartoons! That's a great idea. Why are they so good for learning?
Because they're visual. You see the characters move. You hear them speak. You see what's happening in the story. And the language is usually very simple.
Yes, the characters say, hello, let's go, or look at a ball, and you see the word on the screen.
So your brain connects the sound, ball, with the picture of the ball.
Exactly. No time for translation because the cartoon is moving fast. You just see, listen, and understand from the pictures. It's a passive way to learn. You're just enjoying a cartoon, but your brain is learning English.
Yes, the same goes for simple English songs, especially kids' songs. They include actions: head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You hear the words and see the movements.
Classic, and it really works. You remember words because you are moving.
So find a simple cartoon or fun kid song you like. Watch 10 to 15 minutes a day. It's not studying, it's fun, and trains your brain to understand English directly.
I love all these tips. They feel very practical. But Raja, is it easy to stop translating in your head?
That's a very important question, Annie. And that brings us to our last tip. Tip number 5.
Okay, what is it?
Tip number 5 is be patient.
Be patient. Be patient.
Yes, thinking in a new language is like walking.
At first, you stumble. You make mistakes. It feels hard.
That's true. You don't just stand up and run a marathon.
No, don't run. Take one small step, then another. And it's the same with thinking in English. You've been translating in your head for a long time. It's a habit, and habits are hard to change.
It's difficult, so you have to be patient with yourself. If you start translating, don't get angry. It's okay. It's normal.
So, if I speak and my brain translates, I shouldn't say, I'm so bad at English.
Never. You should say, I translated again. Okay, try again with a simple word. Be kind to yourself. Kindness is important in learning.
So, a little every day. 5 minutes of naming objects, 1 cartoon.
Yes, small, consistent steps. Progress is more important than perfection. Every time you connect an object directly with an English word, that's a win.
I like that. A small victory every day. And remember, mistakes are okay. We learn from mistakes. They show us what we need more practice on.
So mistakes aren't bad. They're good? They're our teachers?
What a wonderful way to think. Yes, Annie, mistakes are our friends. They help us improve.
That is such a great way to think about it.
Wow, these are all amazing tips. So let's quickly review the 5 tips.
Great idea.
Tip number 1.
Start small. Look at objects around you and think the English word. Chair, table, book.
Exactly. Tip number 2.
Use pictures, flashcards with a picture on one side and the English word on the other. Link the image to the word.
Perfect. Tip number 3.
Think in very simple English sentences. Link feelings or actions directly to English sentences like, I am happy or I drink water.
Very good. Tip number 4.
Fun. Watch and listen to simple English. Cartoons and songs for kids are perfect because you see what's happening.
Yes, and the most important last tip,
Be patient with yourself. It's a new skill. It takes time. Mistakes are okay. Be kind to your brain.
that's it, Annie. You summarized perfectly. It's all about practice, patience, and building those direct connections. Over time, that fast pathway in your brain will grow stronger. Thinking in English will become easier and more natural.
Absolutely, and your conversations will improve. You'll be able to listen quickly and respond faster.
That's the goal for all our viewers, I think. Real, natural conversation.
Yes, exactly. And it all starts with a word, an object, your pen.
My pen. I'm just looking at it and thinking, pen.
Chuckles. Wonderful, you're doing it.
This has been amazing. Thank you, Annie.
Thank you, Raja, and thanks to all our amazing viewers for joining us.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope these tips help your English learning journey. Don't forget to subscribe to True Fluency Hub so you don't miss our next episode. And if you like this episode, share it with a friend. Sharing is caring.
Absolutely. And we have a question for you. Leave a comment below. Write the name of one thing you can see right now.
Oh, I love that. Look around and write an English word in the comments. Is it a window, a phone, a plant? We're excited to read your answers and see what you're seeing.
This will be so much fun. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Keep practicing and be patient.
Yes, you're doing amazing. See you next time.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.